Right from the start, the judge is juggling people like it's courtroom musical chairs. When the hearing opens with, "I'm going to kick you out again," you know things have been chaotic behind the scenes.
I'm going to kick you out again. Joe, if you put him back in the jury room.
All right. Come with me again, folks.
Well, some of you said you wanted to move a little bit. You didn't want to sit too long. Yeah, your stuff's all right there. Yeah, you're all right.
You guys know where to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It's just amazing.
Yeah. Hi, Bill. Maze has been bugging her. Why isn't it on live stream? Why isn't it on live stream? I understand there's something to put on the record.
This is the moment the plea deal becomes official. Anytime the prosecutor says the offer was accepted, it means everyone's trying to wrap this case up without a long, messy process.
Yes, Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with defense counsel, and the plea offer was extended this morning. And my understanding is they have accepted it, and it would be one count of reckless driving, with the understanding that there will be a multiple sentence.
Here's what, and I don't even know if the people know this, but when did we put you in sobriety court? How long has it been? 3 months? About?
So it's a little over 3 months.
Yes. Okay. All right. So
Watch this closely. Being in sobriety court is a game changer. Judges respect progress. And when the incident happened before she joined, it almost guarantees a lighter, more streamlined sentence.
here's what I'm inclined to do. She's in our sobriety court. Okay. I don't think there's a need for a PSI because this incident was before I put her on probation in our sobriety court. I'm inclined to just sentence her to 12 months probation, same terms as sobriety court.
Yeah.
I don't see the need for another screening.
I would defer to the court's discretion as long as it's the same terms as for other OWI cases.
Yeah, it's basically, I'm just going to track this probation with the one she's currently on.
Good and well done.
Mr. Duncan, any objections to that?
She would be placed in sobriety court. And I know she is already in law.
She's already in sobriety court. Yeah, I'm just going to track this file with that file. So in other words, a violation of sobriety court probation violates on this file. All right. All right, so let's do it. Ma'am, you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
You better sit down. You sit down because you're close. No, sit down. You're closer to the mic that way. Roll your chair over a little bit because you're soft-spoken, Ms. Ashton. All right. Do you understand your rights and options?
Yes, I do.
All right. Do you understand the possible penalty for reckless driving?
Yes, I do.
All right. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Duncan, the incident date, April 15, 24, would you voir dire?
In the city of Belleville, that will come in the paper.
Yes, I will.
And while we're operating the motor vehicle, you can essentially take your eyes off the road.
Yes, I do.
And taking your eyes off that accident by running into a park vehicle.
People satisfied with the facts? No.
And Judge, the prosecutor had a point that he'd like to bring up.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think the record reflect that he also had a blood alcohol number of 0.031 grams of alcohol per 100 milliliters of blood. I understand that's not the level for an OWI, but I think
It's factually correct.
Yeah, that is correct, and goes to why he was driving recklessly from our position.
All right. I'm satisfied that the facts have been met. I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge reluctantly. Immediate sentence.
Yes, Judge, and I guess that she's in sobriety court now. I guess that the sentence be a continuation of her participation in the court sobriety.
Done. And just a clarification, I misspoke because I said I was going to put her on probation. I think, well, maybe I didn't say it. That she's currently on a 24-month probation. She's less than 4 months in, I think. All right. So I'm going to put her on for 20 months probation just so it's tracking with the other file.
Thank you.
All right, Miss Ashton, don't feel that, excuse me, don't feel that you have to, but is there anything you want me to know before I sentence?
You say
It's a formality to give you a chance to talk. You don't have to.
Oh, so, sorry.
Hmm.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right. All right, so, go ahead.
In this case, there was a. So another parked vehicle was.
Here's what I'll do. Here's what I'll do. I'll leave it to you to reach out to any victims that might have a restitution claim. Oh, she is.
It made like an insurance amount, so if I can just have a brief.
Go, yeah. You're probably comfortable, right? Oh, boiling up here.
So Your Honor, we would just reserve that for another,
That's fine.
her former partner, and they're no longer together, so she doesn't know the extent.
Ma'am, don't go away. Don't go away. I want you to hear this. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sentence Miss Ashton. I'm going to put her on probation. I put a note under restitution in the sentencing notes, TBD. Ma'am, if you have a restitution claim, contact Mr. Mohammed. He'll bring it to the court. We'll communicate with Mr. Duncan. If, for example, if you come in and you want $200, Mr. Duncan's probably gonna say it's not worth our time to come talk about it. We'll pay the $200. You come back and say, I want 20 grand, we'll probably have to have a hearing. Understood? Any questions? Now you can leave. Thank you for your time today. All right, anything else before I sentence? All right, Ms. Ash.
This is a final ruling. All the legal talk, plea acceptance, and restitution questions lead to this moment. Listen how the judge aligns her probation with Sobriety Court. It's intentional and strategic.
I'm going to put you on probation for 20 months. Just tie it with the Sobriety Court file so the terms are the same. I'm assessing court costs on a $500. When can you pay that? All right. Okay, you're all set. Thank you. Mr. Mohammed, are you two going to be around for a few minutes?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to go talk to the jury, get them out of here, and then I want to talk to you guys. You're welcome. Okay, I'm just going to go in and schmooze in a little bit. You can have a file.
Heather, I'm just gonna leave this here, or do you want it up there?
Oh, that's fine. I got it from clean.
Oh,
Thank you. Have a good day.
yeah. Wow. Nice seeing you. Nice seeing you. Oh, it's a big secret. Oh, yeah, okay. Very good.